एंड वेलकम टू सुपरग्रेड्स। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं वन ऑफ द टॉप मैनेजमेंट बी स्कूल के प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट के बारे में, दैट इज एसपी जैन मुंबई का 2022 से 2024 बैच का जो प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट है, आज हम उसको डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। नाउ दिस इज वन सच कॉलेज विच गिव्स यू प्रोफाइल बेस्ड कॉल्स। प्रोफाइल को ज्यादा एम्फेसाइज करता है ड्यूरिंग योर कैट सिलेक्शन। जब कैट का आपका एग्जाम हो जाता है तो कैट एग्जाम को उतना वेटेज ना देते हुए द कॉलेज गिव्स more weightage to your profile. So if you have a phenomenal profile in your 10th 12th graduation, or you were involved in some sports activity, music, or any sort of cultural activity, you've been a consistent performer over there, so then this college is this college is one such college that will give more preference to your profile. So आज इसी के placement report को हम detail में discuss करने वाले हैं. So stay tuned till the end so that you do not miss out on anything. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. तो सबसे पहले तो बैच प्रोफाइल, एज वी डू इट, बैच प्रोफाइल सबसे पहले समझ लेते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस, एज इन देर आर पीपल इन द बैच हु हैव वर्क एक्स एज वेल. तो वो कौन से कैटेगरीज के लोग हैं जिनका किन किन कैटेगरीज में वर्क एक्स है, वी लुक इन टू दैट. सो वी हैव software and IT people also over here. You have people from consulting domain, you have freshers as well over here. Analytics के भी कुछ लोग हैं यहाँ पे. BFSI and finance domain से you have crowd over here. Then others, as in other domains, are also there. You're from energy, e-commerce, FMCG, healthcare and pharma से भी लोग हैं. research and development से भी लोग हैं, and manufacturing and tech से भी work crowd है in SPGen. Now let us also understand education, as in different categories of education कि कौन कौन से education background के background का crowd आपको मिलता है SP Gen में. You have people from engineering background, commerce, as in non-engineering students भी हैं. You have business management, you have science, you have chartered accountant, you have economics, you have arts, hospitality and administration. Now, if I talk about the batch size, as in the total batch size for the PGDM program that they have, it is 295, and जिसमें से 73% is male and 27% is the female crowd over there. Next, let us understand हम यहाँ पे placement report जो है वो उनके जो दो flagship programs है, that is PGDM and PGDM BM, which is business management, उनका placement report और उनके highlights देखने वाले हैं. So सबसे पहले if I talk about the participants, as I discussed in the previous slide, 295 students का batch size है. So these many students have participated in the placement process or sat for the placement process. Number of companies participated is 72. Now I recently have discussed in one video difference between, as in comparison between MDI Gurgaon and SPGen Mumbai. So if you want to understand about SPGen Mumbai in detail, you can also look into that particular video. उसका link मैं description box में डाल रही हूँ, आप वो video refer कर सकते हैं if you want to understand about SPGen Bombay in detail. Now here, number of first-time recruiters, as in the new recruiters who came to the campus, were 33 over here. Total number of pre-placement offers. Now this is an amazing figure कि यहाँ पे 138 pre-placement offers भी दिए गए हैं, as in the students who've done internships in so and so firms during the process. तो उनको pre-placement offer तभी दे दिया गया था. So प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर्स 138 दिए गए हैं ना. यहाँ पे समर इंटर्नशिप्स नहीं होते हैं एसपीजन बॉम्बे में, ऑटम इंटर्नशिप्स होते हैं, ऑटम प्लेसमेंट्स होते हैं इंटर्नशिप के. सो 138 PPOs were given over here. That means 47% of the batch received PPOs. Average salary 33 LPA, median 31.50 LPA, and highest went around 81 LPA for the batch 2022 to 2024. Now SPGen Bombay की एक अच्छी बात ये है कि placement figures are getting better year on year. अगर हम बात करें तो placement figures कभी भी नीचे नहीं हुए, in fact they're getting better year on year. So this is one such good thing about the college, that it is holding on to its placement quality. Next, let us understand key highlights जो रहे हैं of 2022 to 2024 batch के placement report के, that is 7%, that is 6.5% of the offers were equal to or greater than 40 LPA. एज इन 7% ऑफ द बैच का अगर हम एवरेज निकालेंगे तो 40 LPA या उससे ज्यादा ही रहा है उनका एवरेज सैलरी. 34% of the offers were equal to or greater than 35 LPA, as in 34% of the batch got a salary of equal to or greater than, अगर हम उनका एवरेज निकालेंगे तो it was greater than or equal to 35 LPA. 71% of the batch का जो offer था that was 30 LPA. 90% of the offers were equal to or greater than 25 LPA. So these are some key highlights that we get from the placement report of 2022 to 2024 batch of SP Jain. नेक्स्ट ऑटम इंटर्नशिप्स. एज आई सेड, यहाँ पे समर इंटर्नशिप्स नहीं कोट किया जाता है, इनफैक्ट ऑटम इंटर्नशिप्स कहा जाता है. सो नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज इंटर्नशिप के लिए भी फॉर द सेम बैच वर 53, एज इन 28% जो थे न्यू रिक्रूटर्स थे. देन एवरेज स्टाइपेंड जो था फॉर 2 months दैट वाज 3,15,328. Median stipend for 2 months was 3 lakhs, and maximum stipend for 2 months was 4,40,000. So this we are talking about the internship report. Next, let us understand domain wise भी जो सबसे ज़्यादा important criteria होता है for us to decide कि whether I need to select this particular college when it comes to selecting the final colleges when I have like converts from different B schools. तो क्या ये college consider करना चाहिए या नहीं? So I always suggest कि domain wise भी एक बार देखना चाहिए कि किस college का में किस डोमेन से ज्यादा प्लेसमेंट होता है या कौन से कंपनीज आते हैं. सो यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूं तो BFSI इज रूलिंग एंड डोमिनेटिंग इन SP Jain Bombay. 41% ऑफ द बैच वाज प्लेस्ड इन BFSI. अगर मैं कंपनीज की बात करूं सो यू हैव ऑल द बिग शॉट्स. एक्सिस बैंक है, यू हैव बार्कलेज, यू हैव DC, you have Goldman, you have ICICI, you have JPMC, JM है, then you have Nomura, then you have O3 Capital. So 41% of the finance cohort. Now this is for those students who choose their specialization as finance. तो उस डोमेन में से ही सबसे ज्यादा जो है BFSI जो कंपनीज आती हैं, they recruit from the finance domain. So 41% of the finance batch was placed in the BFSI domain. Next, अगर मैं बात करूं in the list, consulting is again यहाँ पे ज्यादा है. 35% of the batch is placed into consulting, and we have Accenture over here, we have BCG, we have Deloitte, we have EY, we have Infosys over here, we have KPMG over here, then we have PwC, Synergy, and this year, in fact, SP Jain has also received international offers from Deloitte. So again, the second best domain that we have in SP Jain is the consulting domain over here. नेक्स्ट अगर मैं बात करूं तो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट. नाउ बहुत ही कम ऐसे कॉलेजेस हैं MBA के लिए जो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में प्लेसमेंट अच्छा देते हैं, बट यू हैव SP Jain Bombay ओवर हियर इन द लिस्ट जहाँ पे 30% ऑफ द बैच इज प्लेस्ड इन प्रोडमैन. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूं ऑफ द कंपनी, सो you have Capgrid, you have Simpress, then you have NPCI, you have American Express है यहाँ पे, you have Make My Trip, you have Media.net as well, and the increase has also been there in product management offers as compared to previous year. So previous year से काफी better रहा है product management domain में. SP Jain has done really well. Next is FMCG again. FMCG is also great in number. 25% of the batch is placed in FMCG. Asian Paints है यहाँ पे, you have Colgate, you have Dr. Reddy, then you have Godrej over here, you have General Mills, then you have Hindustan over here, HUL भी है यहाँ पे, you have L'Oreal over here, Marico है, you have Nestle, Procter and Gamble है, and there are many more. Next, you also have general management and leadership roles as well that come in SP Jain, जिसके top recruiters are Aditya Birla, Capgemini, then you have Mahindra over here, RPG, then you have TCS also over here, sorry, Tata Administration Services is also here. So these are the domain-wise placements that SP Jain Mumbai had. Okay, students, so that was all from my side with regards to the placement report of SP Jain Bombay, that is SP Jain Mumbai 2022 to 2024 batch. If you have any other doubts with regards to the particular college or any other college, then you can pin down in the comments below. And if you want us to come with more such videos regarding to the placement or any particular college you want us to discuss in detail, then you can definitely tell us in the comments below, and we'll be coming back with something or the great. Till then, stay tuned to Supergrads Cat.